Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, itutur ko kayo sa hotel ko for my quarantine stay in Manila. So first of all, sasabihin ko lang sa inyo na hindi ko i-disclose ang pangalan ng hotel kung saan ako nakastay for their privacy. And of course, alam niyo naman na maraming hotel ang nagsasara dahil sa pandemic. And kung sasabihin ko kung saan ako nagstay or saan kami nilodge ng OWA and ng Philippine government, syempre maapektuhan ang business nila. Because of that, I will not tell you the name of the hotel, but I will be taking you on a room tour. Diba? So excited na mga kayo guys? Without further ado, let's start the tour. Okay, so ipapakita ko sa inyo ang labas first kung saan iniiwan nila yung food. Okay? So, hindi kayo pwedeng lumabas syempre. So, iniiwan nila yung food dito. May chair. Diyan nila iniiwan yung food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay? So, yun yung labas. Oh, tama na. Hindi yun na ipapakita sa inyo more of it, guys. Okay, so, of course, merong wardrobe, walk-in closet ba tawag dito? Anong tawag dito guys? Di ko sure. Anyways, ito may lagayan sila kung may mga important documents kayo, money, dito nyo ilalagay. But anyways, hindi naman kayo lalabas, so it's okay. And pwede nyo yung ihang yung mga damit nyo dito. Ayan. And here, dito ko nilagay yung bag ko. Ito yung hand carry na sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na 10 kg. Kung napanood nyo yung first vlog ko about my arrival experience, ito yung bag ko. And what's a good thing is, if kung lalabas na kayo at gusto nyo mag-gown or mag-dress up, pwede kayong mamalansya dito. Meron silang kabayo tawag dyan, diba? Oh, I'm not sure. But anyways, moving forward, may hanger din. Ayan. And let's check the other part. Meron din silang iron, ayan. And may flashlight sila in case of emergency. And my bag is here. Ito yung bag ko na sinasabi ko, di ba? Medyo mabigat to guys. So, nung nandito na ako, it was really difficult kasi may dalawang hand carry plus itong small na camera bag ko at saka dalawang check-in bag at saka isang hand carry plus yung sling bag ko. Tapos imagine may food pa from OWA, so medyo mahirap talaga. Now let's go to the toilet. So ito yung toilet nila guys. Annyeong. Ayan, may shampoo, conditioner, and dental kit na kinuha ko na kanina, and then vanity kit. So tinalikod ko siya kasi may logo ng hotel, and again I don't wanna disclose the hotel's name including this one. It also has a logo, and meron din silang blower dito kung kailangan nyo ng blower. Meron sila, and may towel provided, although nagdala din ako ng own ko. And ito yung mga damit ko guys na sinuot ko when I arrived. Okay, diretso siyang nilagay dito sa side kasi in case na may virus or nakuha ng virus, diba? You don't want to go directly to your bed because it will definitely contaminate yourself and you will become positive if ever. So nilagay ko siya dito at kinabukasan nilabhan ko siya. So ito, yan yung sa akin, and then sabon ko, and merong shower dito. So again guys, if you just arrived, don't go directly to your bed. Wash your shirts, whatever you wore during your flight, so that you will avoid contamination. So ito yung CR ko sa hotel. Alright, so let's go out. And here I got a mini bar. Ito. So ito yung mini bar, and may kape, Nescafe, may tasa, and saka may heater. So below is a fridge. Kung di nyo pa gustong kainin yung food na binigay nila, may fridge dito. Ayan, pwede kayong mag-fridge and i-keep yung food dyan. So guys, it's also important to bring your adapter kasi kung galing kayo abroad, malamang may ibang adapter yung plug nyo, so yung saksakan nyo. So it's better for you to bring one kasi not all hotels have international plugs. Okay, good thing dito meron. So ayan, tapos meron din dun may plug. And again, this is my bed. And ito yung view ko dito sa hotel. Ayan. Umuulan ngayon, September 14, 2020. So, it's raining outside. This is a welcome rain for me. My first rain when I arrived in the Philippines. So, ayan. Kung nag-work from home kayo guys, may LAN sila. Tinakpan ko yung logo ng hotel. Kasi ayaw natin i-disclose. May LAN para i-connect nyo siya diretso sa laptop nyo or anuman. So, meron din silang couch dito. Dito ako kumakain pag nandito na yung food. And my TV. If you miss the Philippine shows, pwede kayong manood. And andyan yung channel. Ano ba nandito? Wala na. So that's it. And like I said guys, merong house parent. So if you need medicines, you need water, you need something, I don't know what's the limitation, pero yun lang ata. Maybe you need medicine, you need to you can ask your house parent to buy it for you, and you just need to give him or her the cash. That's it for today guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, okay, the red one. I'll see you on my next one. Again, if you got any questions, let me know. Put it on the comment box below. Thanks for watching.